It can be a real challenge juggling multiple devices in our lives. From phones to tablets to laptops, our data is constantly shared and swapped around different form factors across different operating systems, which can make it a bit challenging to stay productive. Thankfully, if you've got any of Huawei's latest products, there's an easier way to manage and share your data among your devices in just a few simple taps. Huawei introduced their Super Device concept back in 2021 and has now improved upon it to make connecting your devices easier than ever, no tricky pairing steps or cables required. On your Huawei laptop, the Control Center allows you to quickly pair with nearby Huawei devices just by dragging the icon towards the center. Once connected, you can then easily use both devices together or share files and data between them. For example, you can take photos on your phone and then easily transfer them to your laptop for editing. You can also easily run various phone apps right on your laptop without ever having to pick up your phone. Another advantage is when you've paired your Huawei tablet to your laptop, allowing you to use it as a secondary display or even to annotate documents and drawings. You can then easily drag your updated files or documents back to your tablet to continue working on when you're on the move. Connecting your devices to a large display such as the Huawei Mate View also allows you to use the larger screen for editing photos, watching videos, and much more. Controlling your various devices is even better than before thanks to the control panel built into devices such as the Huawei P50 Pro and the MatePad Neo. Just access the control panel icon to easily connect and control nearby devices for an easier and more productive smart office experience.